Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the error loading metadata on your Amazon Flex app? Don't worry, there are several solutions you can try. One of the main reasons for this error could be the use of an eSIM. The Amazon Flex app currently does not support eSIMs, so the first solution is to switch to a physical SIM card. If you're using an eSIM, make the switch and see if the problem persists. The second step is to ensure that the Amazon Flex app as well as your device are up to date. An outdated app or device software can cause a range of issues, including this error. So, check for any available updates for your Amazon Flex app and your smartphone software and apply them if needed. If you've tried the above two steps and the error is still occurring, it might be due to a temporary glitch with the app itself. In this case, a simple reinstall could do the trick. Uninstall the Amazon Flex app from your device, restart your device, and then reinstall the app. After the reinstall, check to see if the error has been resolved. Despite trying all these steps, if the error continues, it may be time to reach out to Amazon's support team. They will be able to provide further assistance and help you troubleshoot the problem. So, to sum up, to fix the error loading metadata on your Amazon Flex app, you should switch from an eSIM to a physical SIM card if you're currently using an eSIM. Update your Amazon Flex app and your device software to the latest versions. Reinstall the Amazon Flex app if the error persists after the first two steps. Contact Amazon's support team if none of the above steps resolve the error. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.